Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back. Hey, I decided to do a part 2 video for my watch faces for this Galaxy S3 Frontier Edition. Man, I found what I believe to be the best collection of watch faces out there. If you go ahead and go to, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the watch, but if you go to, take you to the store real quick, Galaxy apps, and if you go to, if you just search for jeweler, search the word jeweler, it will bring up, make sure you're on the gear side, it will bring up all the jeweler watch faces by this guy, Darius Karol Wazowski. I don't know what his name is, but he's a freaking like genius on the watch faces. Shout out to that guy, however you pronounce your name, my bad. But anyway, he's got a collection of watch faces here. I had one, I was showing you this one on my other, one of my other videos, but he's got a collection here, and some of them are 12 hours, some of them are 24, but there's quite a few. I've chosen to purchase just 2. Yes, these are paid apps, and I'm gonna tell you, man, for $1 all the way up to what, maybe $2.40, you better go ahead and pay this man, because he has done the work. I'm gonna move this phone out of the way, and I'm gonna show you all the 2 that I picked. All right, so you can go in there and look at all of them yourself. I've already done that. I'll leave that part of the fun to you. But this one is, you've already seen this one on my other video. This one is the casual. But if you remember, right here, I told you about how you can tap right here at the number 3 basically, and it'll change all the watch faces. All right, you see how they're changing right there? But it goes a step further. Let's go with this color right here for the watch face, right? But then we could change the circle elements also. You see how that's changing right there? Oops, my bad. All right, so we can change those as well. You see how they're changing? So you can have, man, I don't even know how many color combinations that is. I haven't done the math yet, but that is crazy. You can customize the crap out of this face. All right, and I do believe this one is probably $2, and I believe it's well worth it. For this particular band, I chose to stay with this one. Actually, this band works with pretty much all of these faces, man. Oh, that was nice. I wish you could go back. But yeah, you just kind of rotate around all those, and you can change up any way you want to. But I want to move on real quick because I wanted to make this video super quick. Let's move on to the next one that I bought. This one is, let me check out the name on this one real quick. This one is the Jeweler Automatic. All right, so we got this silver chrome face. Man, that is gangster. Look at how that looks on a white band, with the white band. That is nice. All right, so let's go ahead and press that number 3. Of course, you have the interactions with these. Like I showed you before on the other one, I like it because you have the interactions, and there's my calendar. And then if you tap in the center, if you tap in the center, you actually get to change the face. But tap right there, you get your battery, and maybe, yeah, right there, you get your you get your text messages if you tap on that calendar date right there. All right, so if you tap on the center. Okay, maybe I was wrong. I'm sorry. If you tap on the 3, the 3 or the 9 actually, you start rotating through all the color schemes here. And this is all you can do as far as customization. It's just the whole face. But man, look at that. Look at that chrome. All right, that's chrome right there, or silver. Then we got this nice, beautiful rose gold. That is a high quality watch face right there. All right, and then this is more of a dull gold. And this is the one I actually prefer. I know I was trying to figure out which gold face to use on those other ones. I think I'm gonna go ahead, and I might even trash those 2, man, and stick with this one. Or maybe maybe I'll go with this one because this one's nice too. All right, so this looks like all the ones you can go. Oh, there's a pink. That's just straight up pink. That's not even rose gold. Oh, it's more of a, it's almost kind of a turquoise silver. Then there's that again, and we got that dull gold. All right, man, that's all I wanted to show y'all. But hey, go ahead and check out that the Jeweler collection in the Galaxy Gear App Store, or whatever you want to call it. But make sure you pay for the maps, man. They are definitely worth the money. Check it out. I ain't never claimed to be an expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews, and I'll check y'all out on the next one. Bye.